I have this server cabinet made out of IKEA KOLBJÖRN metal cabinet. Problem is that it's getting very hot. Earlier it was fine, but now I updated it to a rack server with 2 power units and 78,000 internal fans, which are really loud. And now when I'm running a little bit more high intensive loads, it's really noisy, and I can see that the temperature inside of the cabinet is getting hot, so my firewall and all the other devices are really hot to touch. And yeah, might be that some trouble that I have seen is because of the high temperatures. I ordered this fan, 230 volt AC fan that I can connect directly to the normal power socket. I bought this power cable with a switch to connect to it. I tried first with this Apico with this flat connector thingy, but my connectors was too large, so and I didn't want to go to shopping smaller ones, so I just soldered the cables to the fan, and then I put a little bit of what is this called, this protective shrink wrap thingy to cover them safely, and then I just installed everything back to the cabinet, and voila, now we have, yeah, it's also quite loud, but at least it's always the same voice, because the normal fans are sometimes loud, sometimes not, and it is really annoying. Now at least it's always keeping the cabinet cool, and it's always the constant volume. And I could of course turn it off when, like winter time, when it's not that hot, but I don't know. Or I could even put a temperature control switch on the cable, so that turning the fan off when it's not hot.